Hi, I'm Jin and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing 3 tips on how to do portraits with likeness. Tip number 1. Values. I find that it helps to simplify and group your values together at the start and not be too distracted by color or detail. The grayscale values that you will see is how I simplify this reference image in my head. I then block in a rough pass of color, matching the grayscale image as close as I can. Tip number 2. Shapes. At this stage, since likeness is the topic, I try to match my painting to the shapes of the model. The red box surrounding the model is the negative shape, while the rest are the positive shapes. If you are struggling with likeness in your portraits, this step serves as a good measuring guide. Tip number 3. Gesture. I try to pick out the gesture of my subject, as this will help me keep in mind that my subject is alive, and it helps for making subtle decisions to hint at movement. At this stage is where I start to render out the painting, refining as I go, while I constantly refer to the 3 tips as mentioned. As this is my first video, feel free to leave a comment on your thoughts down below. Anything that you may have liked or disliked, art questions or topics that you might be interested in, or just to say hi. You can also help to support this channel by hitting that like button, subscribing for more content in the future, or just sharing it with a friend. Now is where I start to work on the background and some of the highlights on her face. While I push and pull the facial features to match my reference, I try to squint my eyes as much as I can, as that will help you to pick up anything that stands out. Once I'm satisfied, I use the mixer brush to smudge my painting. The decisions for the direction that I smudge in is based off the gesture step as previously mentioned. As a last step before finishing, I added some subtle blues to contrast the majority of the warm colors on the painting. Alright. Thanks for watching, and I hope that this video will help you get some likeness in your portraits.